Good evening, everybody. Well, it's like good afternoon, actually. Oh, that's such a pretty bird. Good afternoon, everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. So today, remember my last video, I was like, I want to do the thing where like, are those my muscles? Okay, I love shirts like this. Anyway, so I wanted to use this product. I don't know what's the name of this product, but I want to my hair, and make it like little bubbles. My next video, you guys are going to be seeing me braiding my hair because I have developed a few bad habits, which we will get into since I've had short hair. So first things first, I'm going to moisturize. I just come out of the shower, so my hair is still damp. So I'm just going to be taking my normal castor oil. You guys saw my last video that I have been using castor oil on my hair and I've been loving it, and the reason for that is because I don't need to use, when you're using castor oil, because it's such a thick oil, I don't find it necessary to use it or pair it with another oil unless if you have a different porosity. For me, because I'm trying not to be in my hair all the time and I'm just trying to moisturize every now and then, I find that it works best for me, and I like this castor oil that I'm using because it doesn't have that castor oil scent to it, or the smell, whatever it is that you want to call it. It doesn't have that scent, so for me, it's the only thing you can smell on my hair is the shea butter. Honestly speaking, nothing else that you will smell on my hair, because currently I'm still not using any leave-in conditioners, which I'm fine with. Like, it's really not that deep for me. I'm yet to go do my shopping this week. I haven't had the time. I've been sick. I stretched my hamstring. We went on a hike, a 10K hike at Harties, yes, and it was beautiful. It was amazing. We did it under 2 hours. It was intense, obviously. I mean, that time was intense. We didn't go there to play. We went there to exercise, okay? So anyway, we went there, and then afterwards we had breakfast, but the issue is that my hair, my clothes were wet. So if my clothes is wet and I didn't bring a change of clothes, my wet clothes dried on me. Therefore, the following day I woke up feeling sickish, and then I've been sick. That scratchy throat developed into a flu, so I have been sick and I pulled a hamstring. Therefore, everything I've been doing, you guys, if you are following me on Instagram, then you know that I have been, one second, you know that I have been trying to accomplish a middle split. Well, not a middle split, a front split, which I haven't been able to because I pulled my hamstring. Therefore, I had to stop everything. Everything was on hold. And what was worse, my period started. Okay, it's not like a worst thing. I mean, I knew my period was going to start, but imagine your hamstring is pulled, you're on your period, and you are sick with flu. So everything was on hold, and now my voice is still trying to, fully heal. I feel like I still sound a little bit scratchy, and I haven't been doing cardio, but I have been going to the gym and doing a little bit of this and that. Strength training. I will always strength train in like, I don't care how I'm feeling, I will go to the gym, but I won't do cardio. Okay, I won't do cardio, which it's like okay for me. I don't mind it. The white that you're seeing is the shea butter, because my hair is wet. The shea butter, my hair is gonna warm up soon and will melt into my hair, so don't stress too much about that. So I want to just comb out my hair to remove any knots. So let's talk about the bad habits that I have developed since I've had short hair. I pick my hair with my hand, and I will do this, and I will detangle while I'm watching TV, and I'll do this, and then after like 30 minutes, when you look at my shoulder, it's like pieces of broken hair, because I am detangling with like 2 fingers. I'm stretching it, and then I would like find a knot, and then I would pull it, and then my hair would break, obviously, because what the heck am I doing? I am detangling dry hair. That's the first habit that I have developed. The last 2 days, I have not been wearing my bonnet, my duke, my satin scarf, but I do sleep on a satin pillowcase. Then the third thing is, it's a good thing actually, because I have developed so much confidence around my hair. A person that's very close to me said, look, I want to say something to you. I don't like your hair. This is not the Miss Luna that we know. It's not the Miss Luna that, this is not how Miss Luna is supposed to look like. And at the time, it was like on a video call, and my hair wasn't like combed out and neat. And she was just expressing all of these things that she was feeling towards my hair, and my response was, oh really? I kind of love my hair as is. So for me, because I genuinely love my hair, I don't give a shit about how people feel towards it, because why are you having feelings towards my hair? That's weird, first of all. And then the fact that it wasn't combed out, it was bothersome to the individual. I had to tell my husband, and my husband told me that, you know, he went through a similar thing with his beard, and people would be like, yo, when are you cutting it, blah blah blah, and he just started keeping quiet when people would say, give them like unsolicited advice. And I'm just like, maybe I will get to that point, but I kind of like clapping back, because I clap back all the time. That's just a Tshidi thing to do. So anyway, so I was just like, look, I really love my hair, and whether it's combed or not combed, it doesn't bother me, and the fact that it's bothering you sounds like a you problem. So get used to it, because it's not going anywhere. So I've been really loving my hair to the point whereby anybody who's trying to come at me like sideways, yeah, you're gonna receive me sideways. I'm gonna match you at that, because why are you having feelings towards my hair? That's crazy. So we're gonna start with this side. I've never done this. If you know what I'm doing, in the comments, let me know if I'm doing right or wrong, and if you've got tips for me, let me know how I'm supposed to maintain this hairstyle. But we're just gonna start. I've seen my husband do it. I have never done it. That looks weird. Random fact, but there was a study done in the US around natural hair ladies, people with natural hair, and they were asking them, like, I can't remember the exact question, but the conclusion of the study was that 40% of women actually avoid going to the gym because of their natural hair. And I'm not gonna lie, had I been in the US and they like asked me to take part in that survey, I would have fell in that bracket, because I relaxed my hair because my natural hair was getting on my damn nerves. I was just like, I just can't balance the two, because sometimes, especially if you are like a content creator around like your natural hair and you're a gym baddie, and it's sometimes difficult. Okay, this is how we're looking like. I think I like it. I think I like it. You see, another problem is that my hair here is a bit longer, so I'll probably have to. It feels so cool. I'll show you guys close-ups right now. So anyway, guys, this is me saying, kind of showing you guys that it's really not that deep. And if you are sure in yourself and in your beauty, and you don't succumb to the European beauty standards or the African beauty standards, I feel like we kind of have them, which is kind of like, you know, your hair needs to look a certain way, your edges needs to be laid. I think they're there, you know, your little things. Yeah, your hair needs to look a certain way in order for it to be accepted in society. So for me, I think I'm using this part of myself, this journey, this me showing all of this with you guys, to kind of tell you that it's really not that deep, especially if you're sure with yourself. Like, if nobody can come at me and be like, yeah, you ugly, I'll be like, okay, it sounds like you have a lot of problems as an individual that you need to go sort out with your higher power, because no ma'am. Okay, so for me, it's like we really need to learn how to accept ourselves as is without needing or feeling the need to style our hair or straighten it or put gel in it or lay your edges or do whatever. I think full acceptance should be full acceptance, like in everything. Like, for example, you know, like white girls, they'll be going to the gym like, yo, I didn't know what to do with my hair, it's just like a messy bun. It's a messy bun that you look at and you think, like, as a black person, when you look at it, you say, yeah, it's still neat, you know. But for us, we can't say, you know, I'm having a bad hair day. We will cover our hair with the scarf. We won't even like try to ride it out as is. We'll cover our hair with the scarf because of all of those like little, I don't even know what to call them, but I just think as black people, we really truly need to learn how to accept our hair as is. That's it. Like, that's all I'm saying. And I'm gonna leave it at that. And I think as Tshidi, I have evolved a lot, and I have been learning a lot of things about myself, and I'm happy that I can sit in front of a camera with short hair and completely love it, because 6 months ago, had you asked me to do this, I would have never done this. Also, this hairstyle, I don't know, I'm gonna be keeping it for a few days because, again, I don't want to comb my hair. I'm looking for any excuse not to comb my hair. I'm literally gonna wake up each morning and just go like, and be like, okay, let's go, I'm ready. I'm gonna be going to the gym, so I'm gonna be making like a debut to myself, like, you know, in public with my hair. I like it. I think it's kind of cute. I like it. So any excuse not to comb my hair for the next few days until I braid it, shout out to me. So thank you guys for watching and commenting below, and if you're thinking about cutting your hair, do it.